Hey team, my 2-minute conviction today is that as leaders, we have got to be learners. Lifelong, perpetual, intentional learners. There is so much to discover in this life, this great adventure. And if we stop learning, then we're limiting all of the potential within us as well as those around us. And so we need a measure of humility and teachability to be able to keep learning over the course of our entire journey. Here's 3 quick things I try and practice regularly to help me remain a learner in my leadership. Number 1, I watch and I listen. I love observing other leaders and people in positions of influence and authority, and people who don't even know I'm watching them, and I'm looking at the way they handle situations and manage difficult conversations and carry themselves in these various contexts. The second thing is leaders are readers. And so I try and read as much as I can get my hands on. And so books, articles, commentaries, and anything that gives me a perspective into the world of other leaders helps me understand the opportunities in front of me. And thirdly, I ask a lot of questions. I think it's absolutely critical to develop the art of questioneering, which is where you are so teachable that you don't presume you know the answer. And so you ask people all up and down the spectrum of experience about what they would do in situations, what their lived experience is like, and how they might approach various situations. So if you want to be a lifelong learner in your leadership, you need to watch and listen carefully. You need to read as much as you can, and you need to ask a lot of questions. Good luck this week as you keep learning this wonderful space of leadership.